Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is a magnetic building block set. It is ages for 3 and up. It comes with 100 different pieces and it is by that brand right there. This is all the pieces that it comes with on the back. You can see, which of course it does come with multiple of each. It comes with a little user manual and it'll give your kids like different ideas to build stuff with. You can see they can make their own little building block town. And then this is everything that it comes with. So if they want, they can actually use that as a background and build it on top of this. And you can keep them in this so that they stay nice and in one place. But this is what the blocks look like. And they are magnetic. But let me go ahead and show you what they look like in use.
What?
I know.
Oh man.
Everything's collapsing because my mom.
Well, come with me. We go through that every time too. Try it just one time at least. No. Look, we'll just head up to see your feet if you don't like it. Come right back. A day or two tomorrow. I told you no. How many times can I tell you? You got to spend the rest of your life in here? You won't be long. Oh, what's the use of talking? I ain't even hungry.
Maybe you just see the creek, huh?
Who? No, 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 no. Mom.
Babe.
It's going on the side.
Mom,
And then.
Darlene needs you to place an order on the wall.
Dun, dun.
Okay, what do you need? But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.